UFO. Hey kids, have you ever seen an UFO? Unidentified flying object. Let's make one to decorate it in your room. Take 2 thermocol plates. Color the upper side of the plate with dark color and other with light color. Now, paste small mirrors on it as shown in the picture. Paste the plates face to face with the help of glue. Put 3 toothpicks on the darker side to make its feet. Put 2 toothpicks to make the antennas on the upper side. Your UFO is ready!